Hey guys, this is Mrs. Ross, and I am unexpectedly away from the school today. Today being Tuesday, the 17th of August. Hoping to be back on Wednesday, just a one day kind of thing. I'm not sick, just have to take care of a issue, and we can chat about it when I get back. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about what I need for you to do while I'm not there. So here is our Schoology page. Let's go ahead and let me show you the list here. So your Science 7, don't worry about my physics office hours. You don't have to come to those yet. It says to finish the respect agreement and independent study. Your independent study for science is actually in the morning, so you'll probably do that Wednesday morning. We may discuss it on Thursday instead of Wednesday, so we'll see. Finish the HMH Unit 1 pretest. The pretest is not for a grade. Let me show you where that's at. So if we go to our Science 7 and we go to the HMH website right there, that little purple button, we plug all of this in and we hit sign in. And then somewhere on your computer, you should have assignments. I don't know. No, that's none of that. But yours has assignments somewhere up here. I think one of the things that you need to make sure that you have is that this is K, because you're in Module K. So I don't know if you have to have that before you can see your assignments or not, but I've assigned the pretest. Has a little bit of instruction on it where it's not for grade, but it just tells me what you know about forces, and so on. So that's the pretest. And then this is watch the Generation Genius video and the Veritasium video on forces. Let me show you where that's at. So let's go back to Schoology, and if we scroll down, this is the module or book that we're currently doing. So I'll click that. You shouldn't be able to see the stuff that's in gray. So really there's only one place to click here. And then lesson 1. So there's the Generation Genius video. And this is the video on unbalanced forces right there. And then if we go back, there's the Veritasium video. This is a YouTube video, so you might be stuck watching an ad of some kind. But it looks like not that. It looks like this. It starts with this guy sitting down. So that's the Veritasium video. And then it says watch the first day of school or FDOS tour videos. That's something you could also probably do during independent study on Wednesday morning maybe. But what I'm talking about when I'm talking about those are just overall videos. So if we scroll down, the FDOS tour video is here, or file is here. The first thing I have is what do you do with your supplies? So this explains everything that you need to do with your supplies, your spiral, your binder, etc. It has the emergency procedures. That is a video that you do need to watch, especially considering what's happening in our city with the other schools. It does tell you how to take science notes from the book. Most of you know how to do that. Gives you a tour of the science course on Schoology, kind of tells you what all the buttons and everything mean. And then it also explains how to access virtual labs on the HMH website, which is going to be important here in just a minute because I'm going to be assigning a virtual lab. Okay, so let's go back here. So we got through these two videos, this video, and then your notes are due on Thursday. When I get back on Wednesday, we'll see kind of how we're doing with those notes and if you had enough time to work on them. And then lastly is this virtual lab sliding downhill. Currently it's due on Thursday, but we'll see how it goes. To get to that virtual lab, scroll down. You go back to here, back to there, to there. And it's going to be in this labs folder. And it'll be the only lab that you can see because you can't see the rest of these. Now, I didn't have a chance to print this out. So if you want to, You can open it up. You're welcome to do this on paper or digitally. To access the lab, you need to go to this website, or you can click that purple button on the first page of the Schoology course. There is a video in the FDOS tour that tells you how to access the virtual lab if you need to. When you click on this to open it, make sure that you click this enable button. And if you want to do this on paper, you can always print it. Or if you want to do it here, what you're going to need to do, because it says read only here at the top, you're going to have to go to File, Save As, go to your OneDrive, and then you should have a folder that's 2021-22 Science. That's the folder that you're going to want to save this in before you even get started. Okay. Now, if you need to rewatch this video or pause and rewind or whatever you need to do, it's pretty important that you know how to save that. So let's see if there's anything else on my list. That's a no. Let's look at the lesson planner. On the lesson planner, it says we have a quiz on Thursday. That really remains to be seen as far as how much you get done. It also says that we're going to do this DIY unbalanced forces. I can't do that. That would be a hands-on thing. I can't do that on Tuesday. So hopefully we can push that onto Wednesday. So our lesson planners might need a little bit of tweaking, but hopefully this gives you an idea of what you need to do on Tuesday when I'm not there. Thank you so much. You guys have a great day. I'll see you on Wednesday.